count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Second section is a twist. With the right foot, you step on the side, rock, hold, okay, go like this. Side, step back, hold, side, hold, rock, recover. With the count, goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third section. Third section is the seesaw. With the right foot first, goes like this, side together, cross, hold, side together, cross, hold. With a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for the last section is a step up, the partner will your left, and another step up. Goes like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, with a count. And then you start a roll